spine twist. The purpose of this exercise is to help open up the whole spine in a twisted motion using the hip and shoulder joint. I'm going to have Johnny take us through it. Okay, Johnny, so from here, I want you to lie flat on your back. Good. Now, what I want you to do is bring one knee up close to your chest using your two hands. Now, taking your right hand and bringing it to the floor with the palm facing up, I want you to bring your leg that you're holding and roll it right over to the floor, keeping your hand on top of the knee. Good. Doing it nice and steady, taking your time. Perfect. Okay, now from here, I want to make sure that this leg is straight. Good. I'm going to have you do this for 60 seconds, and I'm going to take you through all the corrections. So, the lower back is getting the twist and the stretch, so is the glute and hip. Perfect. Okay, now you're keeping the shoulder open and the palm up, which is perfect. You're also keeping the far shoulder pulled down. You're keeping the head looking up and the chin tucked down, which is perfect. Good. So the muscles you'll feel here will be hamstring, glute, a little bit of lower back, often the shoulder joint, pec and shoulder. Good. Once the minute's up, Johnny, I'm going to have you then spin round and repeat on the other side. So from here, straighten the both body again, bringing the other knee up, grabbing onto the knee and roll it over to the floor. Have the knee slightly touch the floor and the foot. Good. I'm going to have you hold this for 60 seconds, keeping this leg straight. Another good point to remember is ensuring that this knee joint stays up at 90 degrees. Often it can fall down, but ensuring it stays nice and up. Lift her up a wee bit, Johnny. Perfect. Okay, keeping the hand on top and using the hand as weight to hold the knee in place for that angle. So you've got the nice right angle coming from the hip, knee down into the foot. The knee and the foot are touching the ground. This can be done with the foot and knee slightly off the ground to create more strain on the hip, but for now, we're going to keep it on the ground. So you'll feel this glute, hamstring, lower back and pec muscles all opened up, ensuring that far palm is faced up. Good work, Johnny. When doing this one at home, really make sure to take your time, as often the lower back can take some time to warm up and open up. How did that feel, Johnny?
Felt good.
Alright, good luck, guys.